Hi guys, so our topic for today is safety precaution. If you want to know what is safety precaution is, just keep on watching.
Safety precaution. If we say safety precaution, tatatak sa isipan natin ng OHS or Occupational Health and Safety because they both refers to a legislation, policies, procedures, and activities that aim to protect the health and safety and welfare of all people and the workplace. Personal protective equipment. Proper preparation is the key of successful work. Before you begin, make sure that you have the tools you will need and secure a clear, well-lit workplace. Gather all the components you'll be using and unpack them at the same time. Always keep in mind that personal protection is one of the traits of a good computer technician. Here is some of example of personal protective equipment. Uh, Example of this is protective clothing, helmets, goggles, or other garments or equipment designed to protect the wearer body from injury and infection. We have here three types of personal protective devices. One is anti-static devices, two, power surge protectors, and number three, last, personal equipment. So, if you want to know what is the three types, just keep on watching. Here we are at the first type, which is the anti-static devices. This is the devices designed to protect the computers from static electricity. So, anti-static devices have four different types of devices, which is anti-static wrist strap, anti-static bag, anti-static mat, and last, the anti-static spray. What is anti-static wrist strap? It is the key of piece of safety gear that helps to prevent the buildup of static electricity near sensitive electronics or other projects where static charge could damage electronics or cause safety issues. An anti-static wrist strap or ESD wrist strap or even ground bracelet is an anti-static device used to safely ground a person working of very sensitive electronic equipment to prevent the buildup of static electricity on their body, which can be result in electrostatic discharge or ESD. Second here is anti-static mat or also known as grounding mat. It is a floor or a table mat that reduces the risk of electrostatic discharge while working with electrostatic sensitive equipment. Static dissipative layer of anti-static pad can release the body's static electricity so that the human body in the anti-static pad surface of the items, tools, instruments, meter, or etc. to achieve a uniform potential. The third type is anti-static bag. It is a packaging materials that is specially designed to help prevent static electricity interacting with sensitive electrical components. To prevent our components from becoming damaged, we use anti-static bags to help shield them from this. The two common or the most common types of the anti-static bugs used are dissipative anti-static bugs and static shielding bugs. However, most people will just refers to them as the under at the umbrella term is anti-static bug. Last but not the least is the anti-static spray. It is a liquid spray that can be used to eliminate static electricity and prevent static cling. And they work by allowing the fibers to retain a little moisture, which make them more electrically conducting and reduces the chances of static building up. So let's move on into the power surge protectors. So power surge protectors is an appliances or device designed to protect electrical devices from voltage spikes. So power surge protectors have two types. It is a AVR or automatic voltage regulator, and UPS, the uninterrupted power supply. So, first type is AVR or automatic voltage regulator. A voltage regulator is a system designed to automatically maintain a constant voltage level. The automatic voltage regulator is used to regulate the voltage. It takes the fluctuate voltage and changes them into constant voltage. The fluctuation in the voltage mainly occur due to the variation in load on a supply system. The variation in voltage damages the equipment of the power system. Last is UPS or uninterrupted power supply. Is an electrical apparatus that provides emergency power to a load when input power source or main power fails. And also, it is a device that allows a computer to keep running for at least a short time when the primary power source is lost. UPS device is also provide protection from power surges. So now, at last, we're going to the personal equipment. This is the personal equipment. We have this equipment inside in our home or our house. This is the basic device that we use, like a small paintbrush, screwdrivers, compressed air, pliers, and tweezers, and handheld vacuum. So again, this is the basic devices that we going to use in our computer.